What if school wasn't just about grades and testing? What if it was about wonder? What if it was about delight? Homeschooling is more than just lessons and curriculum. It's about connection. It's about exploring together, learning together, finding the things that make your kids light up. It's not about fitting your life into school, it's about fitting school into your life. If you're new to homeschooling, you might be feeling overwhelmed. You might think you're not qualified to teach your child. You might be afraid your kids won't learn from you. You might be wondering where you even begin. Maybe you never wanted to be here and you feel like you don't have any other option. This course is for you. And it's not just about how to homeschool. It's about pushing past all the logistics to see a better end goal, one that isn't just about grades or test scores. We'll talk about curriculum and how to create rhythms in your day. I'll share the tips and tricks I've gleaned from my years in the classroom as an elementary and preschool teacher, and my years as a full-time homeschool mom of 5. But most of all, we'll talk about deepening your relationships with your kids and awakening their love of learning. You and your children can more than just survive these homeschooling days. You can create a delight-filled homeschool.